Various usability enhancements have been made to improve the overall user experience in machine-powered programming setups. These improvements focus on the setup configuration involving tools, tool holders, and work-holding devices, as well as the overarching setup definition in conjunction with a machine. Let's begin with the first improvement, the Open in Window feature for work-holding devices. This window for modifying work holders can be accessed within the Machine Setup Configurator by right-clicking on a work holder node. It is also available directly on the graphics interface with the Select Tool or Device option active, offering a more intuitive user experience. The next improvement is the creation of a logical connection between the CAM workpiece, blank, and fixture to the machine. In previous releases, it was necessary to manually assign graphics to the setup elements, part and blank, or if necessary for fixtures to logically connect these to the machine for simulation and collision detection. Instead, the graphics assignment for part, workpiece, and additive takes place exclusively via the CAM workpiece. Go to the Operation Navigator, Geometry View. For the workpiece, the part and blank specified under Main will be logically connected to the setup component that is set under the Machine tab. Finally, let's look at the new Delete option for tools and tool-holding devices within the Machine Setup Configurator. In prior releases, deleting tools and tool holders was restricted if an operation was assigned to them. Now, even if an operation is associated, you can delete a tool or tool holder. The operation is automatically moved to unused items, keeping you informed and maintaining seamless workflow integration.